So why EGA coconut oil is my favorite? As per Ayurveda, coconut oil is the number 2 in terms of health benefits after mother's milk. But it has to be real coconut oil made from coconut milk like ghee, not the cold pressed coconut oil that we get in the market these days. So most of the coconut oil that we get today is made by sun drying or oven drying the coconuts. Then they are pressed in a presser and the oil is extracted. That's not the way traditionally we have been used to making coconut oil. So the way our forefathers or centuries ago how we've done it is to take a milk from the coconut and then boil it to take the oil like ghee. So that is the way to do it, and it takes about 8 to 10 hours of continuous slow heating of the milk, and very little coconut oil is extracted. But this is pure anti-aging tonic for our body. It is very good for digestion, very good to apply to our face, our body, and it really works wonders. So you can click the button below to buy this EGA coconut oil. Thank you.